What is up, everybody? Fishhawk here. Today I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. It's supposed to get up to about 45 degrees today. It's very sunny, not many clouds in the sky, and the water is crystal clear, so not the best fishing conditions for trout, but hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. Today I'm going to be using my 6-foot light St. Croix Premier rod, Daiwa BG 1500 reel. I got 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. I have this little olive colored streamer. Then above that I have a small split shot. Fish on, baby. Holy moly, it's a nice one. Absolutely gorgeous. Dang it, I just had a big one flash at it. There he is. Look at that brown trout, guys. Holy shit. Second fish of the day. Another very nice brown on the streamer. Little guy. How'd you even get that streamer in your mouth, man? Tiny little guy ate the streamer. It's funny. I'm pretty much just working the streamer like a jerkbait, casting it upstream, and then I'm just giving it some twitches. Here's one. Oh my God. Come on, get out of that current. Hey, this is a nice one. Holy moly. Big old brownie. Another one. Holy moly. Look at this fish, guys. Holy crap, guys. Just caught two absolute bruisers. Practically out of the same hole. It's only like 2.5 foot deep. I was fishing my way upstream and I figured, what the heck, I'll cast in there. Landed two of the nicest fish so far today. I'm not sure how big they were. They were definitely over 18, probably close to 20, but I didn't have my tape with me today, so can't really say for sure, but I got some really good footage of them and got good, healthy releases. I'm gonna keep it going. I want to show you guys the knot I'm using real quick for this streamer. It's a Rapala knot or a Rapala knot, whatever you want to call it, but it's basically a loop and it allows the streamer to move very freely in the water. It's a very good knot when you're using like jerk baits and streamers and stuff like that. Got him. Another very high quality brown. Not quite as big as the others, but I'd say it's probably 16. Got him. Another pretty brown. A little smaller one, but still a pretty fish. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had an awesome day of fishing. Caught some really nice fish. Not the best fishing conditions. The sun was high and bright. Not many clouds in the sky. The water was crystal clear, but that olive streamer that I was using worked really well. They were super aggressive. They really liked it. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish all go.